Hello from Sergio Ervini. Today is the 9th of September. I'm going to do this video to show you the perfect combination between my traffic power line and my Legion Secret. If you don't know me, my name is Sergio Ervini. I work online full-time since 15 years ago. I'm Italian, so I have followers from Italy, France, United States, Australia, and everywhere. So my traffic power line is a place where they sell you 100 clicks per month. But the particularity of this site is the matrix which you are situated, which you can earn even if you don't introduce any person. So it's very, very powerful. So every site that has traffic, they sell traffic, has a long-lasting life. Like for example, my Legion Secret has been around since maybe 2018, and I'm using my Legion Secret since 2019. Okay, my traffic power line has been launched maybe a month ago, something like that. I've joined just 17 days ago. So you can, as I told you, you can promote your business. You're gonna click here. Of course, on the site I'm gonna give you, you're gonna have all the trainings. And you create a campaign, okay? And you can promote whatever business you do. You have 100 clicks a month, and you can promote the business itself also, okay? So let's have a look at the power of my traffic power line. So the people pay only $20, okay? So the people, when they get in, you have $40 fee to set up the account. If you pay monthly, you will pay only $20, which is just 66 cents a day. It's really nothing. If you pay, a year, you pay 240, but you have more clicks, okay? So let's go back here. So as you can see, I've already earned $2,809. Let's gonna see where am I on the leaderboard. This is the world leaderboard, okay? That's me, number 10. Okay, so I know what I'm doing. So this is my sponsor, number 12. This is my upline, the sponsor of my sponsor, Mac Mills. And then we have his sponsors, Jeff Hammond, which is the leader of Life Good. So as you can see, we are in the strongest team in the my traffic power line. So as you can see, it's very, very, very easy. And the pay plan is like that. So if you introduce anyone, you are not forced to introduce anyone, but you get $25 or $50 when they join yearly. That's the power of this system, okay? Of course, they sell traffic, so it's going to be a site which is going to be around since years and years. And the matrix 2x12 is forced matrix. So every people fall down in your matrix, whatever you put them or you didn't put them, you have a potential of $4,950 a month. Even if you have a third of that and you didn't introduce anyone, in 1 year, by just purchasing traffic, that's going to be really, really good. Then you got the matching bonus, which is for the marketers. It's really, really huge. The compensation plan is really, really magic here. And you can get, 25% matching bonus of your first generation, second generation, until the fourth generation. This is the numbers going to multiply like everything. And the ticket is very low, so everyone is going to keep, the clicks. And you're gonna get the money. So as you can see, this is the matrix just started. You see the team is already has 300 people who are pushing really hard. As you see the leaders that they are with me. Of course, the people, we cannot put the people up. Can only put the people down. So you understood that this is really, really powerful. And this is something that is gonna stay around because he has a forced matrix. He has a product which is clicks, which is traffic, and everyone needs traffic forever, okay? But the particularity of the matrix is going to make more appeal to the people, because the people, they can earn even without introducing anyone. And the leaders, which they know how to use people, they're gonna have the matching bonus, which is gonna explode your earnings. Explode your earnings, okay? So I'm gonna show you how you can join, and then I'm gonna show you my Legion Secret, and then I'm gonna show you why they work together, okay? Really good. So to join, I'm gonna put the link, okay, the link underneath. I'm gonna put this link. You can see the video, you can see the presentation, then you can join here. Otherwise, yeah, you can see all the, you know, the compensation plan, who is the owner and everything. You fill up your form, and then after you choose whatever plan you want, okay? If you don't pay, you don't lock your position on the matrix. So if you join and you just stay in the window, it's like if you didn't join, okay? Of course, after you join, I'm gonna put my link on Facebook. You contact me, and then I give you all the presents, all the gifts that I'm gonna show you now. So when you join me, okay, and you lock your position, you contact me on Facebook, and then I'm gonna give you 2 pages done by the world leaders. So he's on the let's go have a look. He's there, okay? The big magic Rob 4, which is in our upline, okay? There it is, okay? So this is it's complete page. You can copy everything. There is I can give you for free. Then there is tutorial how to copy the page, how to do the, you know, the campaign and everything, okay? You simply are in the strongest team of My Traffic Online. Then I'm going to give you this other side, which is from Jeff Hammond, which is the top leader Life Good. You can copy both of them. Okay, let's go and have a look at My Legion Secret. Okay, My Legion Secret has been around since 2018. Okay, like everything, all the leaders in the world, they are using My Legion Secret, because all the leaders in the world, they must have traffic accounts from everywhere. Otherwise, you have no business, okay? So, and there you are paid in 5th level. This is really magic, because the people that will keep on purchasing the leads and everything. So how this works? Very easy. As you join, you pay $60 first time, and then you pay only $30 a month. You get 100 leads every day, USA leads, okay? 100 leads every day, USA leads. Here you got the presentation, then I will give you this link. I will put this link at the bottom, and then you can copy the entire link for free once you join, okay? And then when you enroll just one person, the leads you will receive, those are fresh leads, okay? They're not leads from 2003. The leads you will receive, they're going to double. So you're going to receive 200 leads a day, which you can mail once a day. And you can see here the tutorial and the presentation. You can join here, you will click here. I'm going to show you the results. You put your email, and then you can pay with credit card, okay? And then you can get here and you can copy, just very easy. You put your number, and there it is. That is your page. So let's go see My Legion Secret, what kind of results has. My Legion Secret, like My Traffic Powerline, you can promote the same program inside. They have already made, it's very easy to use, and then I give you the site and they show you how to use it. I have been using My Legion Secret since 2000. Let's go and have a look. Affiliate. So those results that you see, they're only the results from the affiliate of My Legion Secret. Of course, all the other things they are promoted from outside. There are, much. There is much more earnings. Okay. So as you can see, you pay in 5 levels. This doesn't stop. Doesn't stop. So let's go faster. Let's go down. This is just one account. There are people that have 5, 6, 10 accounts of this business, but because they are not consistent, I'm a marketer, so I'm a consistent. I promote here every business, and all the results here, it's only the results promoting My Legion Secret, okay? Not promoting other things. Of course, I earn lots more, okay? So you can promote here My Traffic Powerline, and you can promote this in My Traffic Powerline. I promoted My Traffic Powerline here, and I already had 18 paid members. Okay, just 4 emails. I just put send 4 emails, man. Okay, so I don't have to explain how it works. As you can see, all the world leaders, marketers, when they use a traffic tool that works, they keep on using it. All the people that don't know what they're doing, they do one thing for 2-3 months and then they quit. 2-3 months and then they quit. All the marketers need traffic, and all the marketers use My Legion Secret. All the marketers use My Traffic Powerline, which has a even much more powerful pay plan. Okay, so as you can see, it's very easy. You send an email. So this one I send only to those people, and then you can send an email maximum to 200,000 people in one click, and then the people who click, they are there. Okay, you can see your leads, my leads. I'm just going to show you once. Those leads are fresh. If I'm going to open one, this one came. You see the 8th September, and then you have everything, all from USA. Okay, this is very powerful. But on the compensation plan side, My Traffic Powerline is much, much more powerful. So whether you are in My Legion Secret or you are in My Traffic Powerline, if you are in both, you're smart because you promote one with the other. And if you are missing one, you better join. I'm going to put the link down there. And then you can contact me in Facebook, send me a message. I'm going to set you up with a private group in My Legion Secret. There you have all trainings, you know, all you can see, all the people that are earning since years and years. Remember, My Traffic Powerline is going to be there for long time. You have the chance that you're one of the first in the world. You can lock your position with the strongest team in the world. Not the number 5, the strongest team in the world, okay? And you can have a spillover, of course. Bye from Sergio. Until next time, have a lovely day.